I was getting a F21 error on my Maytag 4000 series washer. To check the drain pump and filter, you have to open the access panel, the 3 screws that holds it together. Once you remove it, you can have access. I placed a cookie sheet at the bottom and I opened it counterclockwise slowly, and I noticed the water was dripping, so I used a Wet Vac to suck the water out. Once all the water was drained out, I unscrewed the whole thing and pulled it out, and voila, look what I found. 18 years of debris, most of them toothpicks, coins, and there was an extra sock in there. Also take a look in the drain pipe if there is anything left in there. Now, to put the cap back on, make sure the notch lines up with the holes. As you can see here, this notch, there's one on the top and the bottom, there's a small. Just line it up and push it back in and just turn clockwise until it locks. I forgot to tell you one thing. Before I put the filter back on, I made sure I clean it with a little bit of soap and tap water. Before I put the access panel back on, I wanted to make sure the washer was working and not giving me any more errors. So I just decided to run a quick wash cycle. As you can see, the water is pouring into the washer. And while it is running, and I'm checking for any leaks, I don't see any leaks. It looks good. I'm happy. It's completely draining also. As you can see, completely drained and dry. Very good.